Hi guys, it's Ali Khan. Today we are going to learn how to make payment through checks. So there are two ways to handle checks. One is in the easy insurance path, menu path. Go to accounting, then accounts payable, then environment, and then check information. So all details are there. And there's another way this is specifically for the check. So this is a F check. F check. F check FCHK. I think first we have to open it, then we write, then it will work. FCHK. Yeah, it will go. So see, environment is here's in easy insurance path. All these things are coming under environment. Only I think you cannot make lot there, but all other things are there. So here, as I mentioned, we go step by step. First the menu path is this F check, then to create a lot FCHI. So this is environment, then FCHI. This is our company house banking. This account ID, this we made in the last video. So simply either select this or that, then click new. So lot number, it's up to you. So as we are making first time, we write first check number, could be any. If you are using 3 digits, so even like you cannot do like this 1 to 1000. The first one should also will be in a 4 digit, so like this, and that's it. So this is lot 1 starting from 1 to 1000. Next lot you can write it, it's up to you, you can write 2, 3, 4. Then non-sequence. Non-sequence means that you can assign yourself check number, like if you want to assign after 1 you want to assign number 3, you can do it, or number 10. So it will not come. If you take this, then you can do, but it is not recommended because automatic payment you cannot do with this setting. So it's better you will go with this. So just save it. So check number has been saved. Now we go move to next step, and that is assigning to the bank account, main bank account. Our bank account number is 2180. So we go to FS00 and assign that bank /n FS00 is already there. So open that bank and change it to account TD investment and save it. So with account number this, we have assigned bank account TD. Now we have to go to vendor account, our next step. Vendor account for this FK02 or PP, anything you can do, use /n FK02 because we already made the vendor, so I'm not making it again. So we can use, I think we in last video we made this, I think, vendor. So I just want to change the account info. So click this. Now see, you have to change the row. My row for this is my row. So we need this company code. Go there. See payment method C. This you have to select, and the house bank. This is TD we have to select. Save it. Now the last setting. OBZ5, it's maintaining bank account, we have to maintain there. OBZ5. Find your company. This is your company and insert the bank account. So new entry, TD, what's that? Check, yes, check. This is most probably the currency. CD account, what we made in Fury. TDIN for investment. And this is GL account. This is I think 2180. Yeah. So that's it. Save it. Now we just have to make entry. Go to FB60 most probably, yes, then make the payment. Yes, so our vendor number is 5010. Invoice date, we take today's date. Amount, let's say 1000. Text for check account, any expense account you can use. As we are using splitting, so I have to mention the cost account here. That's it. Yeah, 10,000 increase. Either decrease or increase. So now 1000. Before that there's mismatching. I have written 10,000. So now post it. So entry has been posted. Now we have to make payment for this. So we go to, there are different ways to make the payment. So we go to financial accounting, accounts payable, outgoing payment. So if you want to print a check, you have to select this 558. Otherwise, you can make the payment through normal. You can make payment, in any of the T codes, and later on you can make a manual check for this payment. But to check the printout, you have to go here. Go there, lot 1 RBC, you have to change it with TD. Lot 1, printer this, print immediately, enter payment, amount is 1000, vendor is 5010, and here you will find your open item. So you can see that it is matching 0. So just so it has been posted. Now you want to check the printout of the check. Go to system, then service, output control, process it. This is the image of the check. This is how it looked like. So this is vendor name, account number. Then if you go down, you will see the amount, 1000, and most importantly this thing, the check number 1. For next payment it will come 002, and this is the document number 25. So we have used the first check. Now we go to just check the check register. So same way, F check. So now there are different things you can check. You can check the display for check, payment, check register. Let's check it out what is inside there. So check number, so it shows that it is TD Bank, $1000 for the vendor this check has used, bank account, this one. And if you go to check the check register, how many checks you have issued, again just give the details, you will get it. Let's see with this, yeah. So in check register you will see all the checks. So as we just issued first one, so that's it. So if you are making without F-58, the payment will, you can make a payment but it is not through check. Then you have to manually make a check payment, like I will show you. So if you already made the payment but you did not select the check through F-58 and you made the payment, so then you have to come here, use this thing, manual check, and put your document number which you had. Put this one and allot the check number. Like in our case, it is 0002. So the previous payment, any payment which you have made without check, you can convert it into through check by using this T code. So, and there's so many things: void, delete. You can use these things: environment, void reason, and one more thing, you can mention the check encashment date as well. Like in here, this is our last payment we made. If we click this, alternate payable, this. Yes. So here you can put the encashment date when it has encashed. So you can mention this for your record. Like this, like it is encashed on the next day. So just mention this for your record. Save it. See. So that's it for the check. So in my next video, I will try to show you how to you can configure your check with your company logo on this thing. Until then, goodbye. Thanks, and do like if you like this video and subscribe the button. Thank you so much.